Hey, what's up YouTube? It's been a while since we've uploaded a video in this channel. It's been over a year. Been tied up with work, raising my son, family stuff. We also had Layla pass away last year, which is really sad for us. And we just haven't found time to make videos. The plan is to make at least going forward 2 videos per week. Don't hold me to it. That's just my goal. And we decided to buy a bulldog, a new English Bulldog puppy. She's coming from Utah. She's actually flying here now. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the airport, pick her up. Just stopped at Walmart to get some puppy essentials, so we're good to go. So let's see how it goes. We're here probably like 30 minutes early, so we'll just sit down and wait.
Yeah.
Well, she is so pretty.
Yes, she is.
Yes. Look at this little face.
Oh, wow.
Look at that little face right there. Hi.
So nice.
Yes.
Let us see it, Cliff. Oh, hi.
A puppy. A puppy. Come here, puppy. Puppy, come here. Come here.
You guys all together? I can
Oh,
take
yeah,
it if
Kaya.
you guys want to come out.
Oh, Kaya.
Ahorita. ¿Te gusta Puppy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you're welcome. Okay.
Thank
bye.
you. Thank you. Bye, puppy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at her.
Que sentarnos.
Okay, come here, puppy. To me.
Baby, be careful con Leon.
Cárgala, cuidado.
Oh, Papa.
Grab her.
Here. Take the camera.
Here,
Oh, a ver, here, take it.
It's okay, Mama.
There she is. She's finally here. She's so cute, so good. Look, she's so chunky. Look at her.
¿Qué tienes con quién jugar tú?
So we're really excited. We got the puppy. She's so nice. I've already said that. Can't get over how nice she looks. So now we're going to go home and
Gamora.
play with her. Look at the preciousness. Look at this preciousness. Just came home. So nice. So she's probably hungry, thirsty. We're gonna let her pee. Let her pee first. Do her business. And we'll shoot some videos inside. And then she peed. Yeah. Yeah, I'll get it right now.
What's this?
Va a comer la Puppy.
Come on, puppy.
right, so you guys already saw this beautiful, beautiful puppy here. You can tell the quality is good. It's some great quality. Look at that face. She has blue eyes. She is so, so nice. We are so happy with her. My son, I think I've mentioned already, named her Gamora. As I mentioned, we found her on Instagram from a dog breeder in Utah. His name's Cruz. They've been good people. I'm gonna go ahead and put his information in the bottom. You guys can check him out. So more videos to come.